Good day, everyone. This property is located in the tranquil community of Chester District. Laughlands nestled between St. Anne's Bay and Runaway Bay. It's just about 1 kilometer from a North Coast highway, providing easy access to local attractions, beaches, and amenities. Property has a total of 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms layout over 2 floors as follows. Ground floor 2 one-bedroom, 1-bathroom units, each with a cozy living area and a functional kitchen. Perfect for a single or a couple seeking a compact and efficient living space. Top floor 2 two-bedrooms, 1-bathroom units, which also include spacious bedrooms, a bathroom, living area, and kitchen. Ideal for couples or small families looking for a comfortable living space. The property offers scenic views of the surrounding area and the Caribbean Sea from the top floor. Nearby attractions include Green Grotto Caves, Puerto Seco Beach, and others. Approximately 15 minutes from Ocho Rios and 45 minutes from the Sangster International Airport. This property is a great investment opportunity, offering multiple rental units in a semi-rural location. Let's take a look inside. The price of this one is JMD $45,352,050. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.